Giggles and grapes.
Hey, friends, it's me, Nini. Do you know what the most important meal of the day is? Breakfast. That's right. Today, I'm going to share 15 super yummy, quick, and fun breakfast ideas for kids just like you. Are you ready? Let's go! Also, Nini is hiding in different scenes. Take a screenshot and share it with us on our Instagram DMs to win a tablet. Chocolate banana toast. Spread that yummy chocolate goodness chocolate on your toast. Add some banana slices, and you've got a super quick and super sweet breakfast that's sure to make you smile. Smoothie bowls. Just blend up some fruits like berries and bananas with milk or yogurt. Pour it into a bowl and add your favorite toppings. Crunchy, creamy, and colorful. Banana pancakes. All you need is mashed bananas, eggs, and a little bit of flour. Mix them up, cook, and voila, sweet and soft pancakes. And they're even healthy. Waffles. Take 2 waffles and fill them with fruits, peanut butter, or even yogurt. It's fun to eat and super quick. Mini omelette muffins. You can bake these in a muffin tray. Just mix eggs with veggies, cheese, and whatever you like, then bake. Perfect for little hands to hold and munch. Peanut butter and banana toast. Spread peanut butter on toast, add banana slices, and boom, you've got a super yummy breakfast that's ready in a flash. Fruit and cheese platter. Pick your favorite fruits and cheeses and make a snack plate. It's colorful, tasty, and perfect for busy mornings. Oatmeal with fruit. Oatmeal is warm, cozy, and super easy. Just top it with berries, apples, or even some nuts. Comfort in a bowl. Chocolate fruit wrap. Spread chocolate on a tortilla. Add some sliced bananas and strawberries. Roll it up, and you have a delicious, chocolatey breakfast that's perfect for little hands. Cinnamon toast. Just toast some bread, spread a bit of butter, and sprinkle cinnamon and sugar. It's like having dessert for breakfast. Avocado toast. Mash some avocado on your toast and sprinkle a little salt. You can even add an egg on top for extra yum. Breakfast smoothie. Blend up your favorite fruits with milk or yogurt. Add a little honey and sip away. Perfect for kids on the go. Egg in a hole. Cut out the middle of a slice of bread, crack an egg into it, and fry it up. It's excellent. Yogurt parfaits. Just layer your favorite yogurt with some crunchy granola and colorful fruits like strawberries or bananas. It's like building a tasty tower. A bagel with cream cheese and fruits. Spread some cream cheese on a bagel and top it with your favorite fruits, like blueberries or strawberries. Yum! Wow, that was fun. So many tasty ideas, right? Try one tomorrow and let me know which one is your favorite.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.